Hello YouTubers. Today with Teen Donovan, we'll be making coconut infused jasmine milk, utilizing a rice cooker. We'll be using Mahatma jasmine rice, 2 cups, will serve a family of 4. And we'll be adding coconut milk, 1 can. You'll notice that this is not 16 ounces, which is 2 cups. We'll be filling up the rest with water later. 2 1/4 cup water. The 4th cup is to make up for the lack of coconut milk to make a total of 4 cups of liquid. And we'll add garlic powder, ground black pepper, ground sea salt, lemon juice, chives, fresh or dried. I just happen to have some dried ones at the house. And we'll do a quick stir to make sure it all mixes together. And we'll select white rice. And we'll hit start. And we'll wait the 45 minutes. Here we are checking the results. Look at all that steam. And we'll serve it. And you can put on curry or, whatever type of topping you want. And enjoy. And don't forget, when you cook, magic happens.